Meaning of haggard.
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 Haggard. Haggard is an adjective used to describe someone who looks exhausted, gaunt, and generally unhealthy. It implies that the person has experienced a great deal of stress or illness, resulting in a tired and worn-out appearance. The term can also be used to describe an animal that appears to be unwell or malnourished. When someone looks haggard, they often have dark circles under their eyes, a pale complexion, and may look significantly older than their actual age. This word is typically used to describe someone who looks tired or stressed over an extended period.